Mirna Esguera Pinigan!
Number 14, from Pinigan, Mirna Esguera.
Totoo. Nagsimula ang lahat sa pangako ng isang binatang matipuno. Tagapagtanggol, kakampi, sandigan ko. Tinuring na prinsesa sa katang-isip na palasyo. Mabulaklak na salita, ang alay na sumuyo. Pinaniwala sa isang bagong mundo na kahit may hirap ay mananatili ang tayo. Pero ang langit nga ba'y totoo? Isang araw, kumatok ako sa iyong may labis na tuwa, handang ilahad ang magandang balita, baon sa isip ko ang panibagong simula. Pagsasama natin ay mayroon ng bunga, ika'y natulala. Takot sa mukha mo ay di makubli, pinipilit na ito ay malaking pagkakamali. Ito pala ang iyong bagong simula. Hinudyat ng balita na siyang gigiba sa pundasyon ng palasyong gawa-gawa, iling ang sagot mo sa bawat tanong ko. Kung umasta ka'y parang ikaw lang ang lito, sabay mabilis na tugon mo, bigyan ng wakas ang anghel na binuo noon ko na pagtanto na ang mga pangako at palasyo'y tuluyan ng gumuho. Tama nga sila na hindi lahat ng tulad mo ay kayang maging ama. Kaya nagdesisyon akong tumaya kahit hindi ka kasama na iyo bang minasama iyon. Ang unang beses na pinagbuhatan mo ko ng kamay. Ang dating prinsesa ay parang tinulak sa hukay. Dugong tumatagas sa hita. Ang bago mo ngayong alay, ang tagapagtanggol, ay siya ngayong nagtapos ng buhay. Pangarap ko'y nawalan ng kulay. Ang aking anghel ay di na maakay. Di masusubaybayan ang una niyang yapak. Di na maririnig ang iyak at halakhak. Sana ang langit ay totoo. At doon ay muling makapiling ang munting prinsesa ko doon. Itatayo ko ang aming palasyo malayo sa mga taong tulad mo. Sana ang langit ay totoo. At doon anak ko pangako, ako ang tagapagtanggol, kakampi, sandigan mo malayo sa galit at pait. Tanging bituin ang bantay sa pagpikit, pagmamahal ang tanging awit habang dinuduyan ka sa langit.
Candidate number 14, from Pinigan, Mirna Esguera. Manalon, or the farmers in English, symbolizes the gift of wonders nature can provide. As rice is the #1 product of Pinigan, this ensemble by Rich Sabinian was made with the inspiration of passion, patience, and the hard work of the farmers. That was
Mirna Toribio Esguera, Pidigan.
Your Miss Ever Bilena is Miss Pidigan.
For the next special award,
Pidigan. Mirna Esguera.
Your Miss Photogenic is Sino? It goes to Miss Pidigan.
our next special award.
Pidigan. Mirna Esguera is a 21-year-old graduate of BS Tourism Management from Holy Angel University. Her gown was created by Benj Leguia.
Okay, this is your question, Miss
Yes.
Pidigan. You can drive both manual and automatic vehicles. It's true? Okay, so why do you think both skills are important as a driver?
Thank you. Nicole, I'm a fan.
Thank you. Even after that, but okay, yeah.
Well, ever since I was a child, I always wanted to drive a car. And now that I am a professional licensed driver, I have learned the importance of knowing both to drive manual and automatic cars, that it will enable us to have a patience in life. Because, you know, it's important that we don't settle in easiest way, but we challenge ourselves to go out of our comfort zone. Because in reality, it's not always about, you know, happiness, but it's life will challenge us and we will face a lot of rejections and failures. But what's important is we learn how to be patient. Because with that, we will be able to achieve our dreams by being patiently waiting and waiting for that right time for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You know what?
Thank you
Driving
so
really
much.
teaches you so many things. Number 14.
Candidate number.
Hello. Kindly pick
You may
your judge.
pick your judge. Your judge is Gabriel Basiano.
Hi, good evening, candidate number 14.
Hi.
Your question is, what will you say to people who think pageants are irrelevant? Again, What will you say to people who think pageants are irrelevant?
Well, I do feel sad when people think that pageants are irrelevant. But I think that pageants have evolved from only showcasing the beauty of a woman to now letting women speak and empower other people. And I think that here in the Philippines, pageantry are always anticipated by many. And I think that shows that there is influence in pageantry. And whenever there is influence, there is power. And whenever there is power, there is a relevance. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Candidate
much.
number 14. Your Miss Abra 2023 is...
Miss Abra 2023 is candidate number 14.
Your Miss Abra 2023